I got Cody2Times here with his, what year?
16.
16
XP900.
XP900 Ranger. What size lift?
6-inch Super ATV and 4-inch portals.
Nice. What kind of wheels are these?
My buddy made those. Jordan, After Hours Customs.
Yeah, can you make some for me?
Yeah.
Word. What size tire?
37s.
37s, nice. Well, you got done to like performance wise?
It has a upgraded clutch kit. High rear end. No turf mode. I think that's it.
Nice.
I got 4 7.7 JLs and a 12 in the back.
And you said you got 12s in the back?
No, the 12 sub in the back.
Oh, nice. The box line next?
Yeah. Let's get to it.
Running a kicker out here. Pretty dope. Who made the roof?
That actually came factory from Polaris.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So what's the plexiglass? Just the amp?
Yeah, the 2 amps inside. JL. I don't remember the watts on that.
Let's hear it real quick, if you don't mind.
Oh, here's the song?
Yeah. So what made you go with the Polaris, not a Can-Am? You be honest, you didn't want to get stuck or break a diff, right?
Yeah. The turf mode's a bit tricky.
I'll trade you right now. My bike for yours.